Hey everybody. So um this is going to be number 2 video of my January or New Year's scavenger hunt giveaway. Now I've got a couple more fun prizes, and it will, I hope you'll like them. And then I'm also going to unmold on this video 2 projects that I did. One is my prize that I'm giving to the winner from my surprise scavenger hunt giveaway, and the other one is an extra project that I did because I had some extra resin. So and there's a reason why I'm doing it, because you will need some of the information from said video, from this video. So as usual, subscribe, like, comment down below, let me know what you think about any of the projects, the prizes, all of that stuff. So I'm super excited to do this giveaway. I love the fact that you guys are enjoying the scavenger hunt giveaway, the giveaways, because I enjoy putting them together and then reading through all of the stories. And then I also love giving back and giving away to you guys. So let's start with the fun part. Well, the whole video should be fun, right? I'm sure you guys may be excited to see from what I poured the earlier part of the week, and how these 2 projects, I have one more project that is going to be unmolded. It's actually the base of a like perforated mold where I can use to crochet a basket. I'll show you what it looks like from what I had poured it, and then you can will unmold it in my next live. So hopefully you guys will be able to come. It will be next week Tuesday at 10:15 a.m. Central Time. So let's give or show you the prizes. So I will start with this one. Is a it's a keychain slash I don't know if it's a bracelet, if it's, I think it has elastic, but it does have a keychain on there, you can see. And it's got a cute little bluish gray sloth on it. And I believe these are silicone beads. I really like these keychains just because of the beads. I've been like thinking about making some, but I'm like, I have enough crafting stuff. I need to stop until I get my act together. So anyhow, that's one of the prizes. And then another prize is this super sparkly keychain. Again, you can see it's got the key ring up here, and then it's got these really cool sparkly beads, the rhinestone bow, and yeah, I actually follow this content creator, and they sell all of these great like resin beads, rhinestone beads, I mean any kind of beads you can possibly think of, along with other things. And they do it, and they sell it like bulk wise, and then they also do like mystery bags and stuff. So I like watching it because I like the mystery portion of it. You can pay by the mystery bag, and then when they open it, if there's a little resin ducky on the inside, you get an extra bag for free. So I just like watching it. I could probably watch it for hours on end. Anyhow, okay, now the next prize is, and I got this specifically for my giveaway, and it's called a hug stone, or a hug. So on the card it says, here's a hug you can hold in your hand, a token of love, so you'll understand that even though now we may be apart, the very best hugs happen deep in our hearts. So, well, I mean, apart and all that stuff, but the whole idea is, and this is what it looks like, and it says a little pocket hug. And I like these because it's a sensory type of thing, kind of like fidget spinners and all that. And so to help keep people grounded, if you deal with anxiety or panic attacks, sometimes using this helps, where you can hold, you can touch it and close your eyes and you can feel like the coolness of the stone, the weight of the stone, all of that stuff. And then on the back, it says, sometimes you forget that you're awesome. So this is your reminder. So that's what it says on the back. So I thought this was pretty cool. So that's what I got. And it comes in this white pleather pouch. So that's that. And then I'm giving away one skein of this Big Twist Rave, and it is in 4 weights. And let me see here. It's pink and black, fluorescent pink and black, which is always a fun color to have. And it's called Scene Queen. And let me see here. I believe it's 100% acrylic. Yeah. And it says 100% premium acrylic. And it says on the back, with one skein you can make a beanie or a scarf, and then of course if you have more. So if you guys have any of these, 3 of them can make an adult, looks like a top or a sweater, and 4 can make looks like an Afghan. And then I have this red heart granny square yarn or skein, and I think it's one of their bigger ones. And it is, so it's got brown, this fuchsia color, yellow, and white. And it is called Soft White and Buttercup Blush. And this also, I believe, it's a size 4 weight. And it says here, let me see, get this right side up. It says here, 1 skein equals 1 ball, and then it turns into 14 granny squares. And that's what I like about these, is because you can make, granny squares and stuff. So, what else? So yeah, that's that. Now, what I'm going to do is I am going to flip you around, and we're going to unmold those projects. And sorry about that. I'm going to put the prizes away so they don't get misplaced. And don't forget, there's those other prizes as well. The crochet hook, the project bag, the pattern book, and then that huge package of 10 skeins of yarn. So this is going to be a pretty decent size giveaway pack. So spread the word that I'm giving this away, because I would love to have a lot of entries. And obviously it makes it more fun, but hey, of course, obviously the less entries you get, higher chance there is to win. So let's get on with it, and I am going to show you what we're going to be unmolding. Okay, so I will show you first. So this is the mold that I'm going to be using to crochet something with. So I did a a 3D bloom with the fireworks on the inside, and then these here will make holes when I unmold it. And I'm gonna look for a pattern to make with it, and it'll be a basket of some sort. I'm gonna try to see if I can find one that's fairly quick to make, and then that way you guys can see the end result. And if I feel that it comes out well enough, then that will be something I will be willing to sell. But obviously it has to be something that I feel is worthwhile. So now I will show you the things we'll be unmolding. Now this one I poured on my live. This is the giveaway prize that was for my surprise scavenger hunt giveaway. The person that won told me kind of, you know, the idea of what they would like, and they wanted fireworks with yellow or gold and a deep or dark purple. So there's that. And then I had some extra resin, and I poured this with this is, I guess it's the lace effect. At least I'm hoping that is what it will be. I will tell you the colors that I used. So let's unmold. This is the pill mold. So, and it's the trinket tray. So, and she wanted gold on the edges. So like, the edge here in the recess of the trinket tray. So what I did was I took some fine gold glitter and mixed it a little bit with the clear resin, and I put it down in the recess of the trinket tray so that the gold would not float all the way up to the top, because that would have kind of, you know, been pointless. And then what I did was I mixed the white pigment paste with the yellow alcohol ink, and then I also added some gold mica powder with it as well to kind of give the whole effect. So I'm gonna unmold this one first, then that way I can try to hopefully over the next couple of days, if I have a chance, to clean this up and then get it all packaged up and out the door. All right, so there's that. I mean, so far I like the way it looks. I'm happy with the fact that the gold glitter kind of stayed in where it was supposed to, and I don't mind that there's gold on the top. It just kind of adds, or I guess this is the bottom, but I don't mind that there's glitter here. That's fine. So let's see how it came out. So that's the side, and here we go. Now I like this. I see the deep purple, and I don't know, I think I like it. Hopefully she likes it. The purple alcohol ink moved around and melded with the yellow / gold, and then of course I really like the gold glitter and how it looks on the edges. So I really like how this turned out. It's super sparkly. And then of course fireworks I always love to do because it gives this very much 3D look, even more so than the bloom. So and then I'll show you the side again. It's super pretty. It reminds me of a flower, really, because this the center with the purple and everything, it really does remind me of a purple. So I'm hoping that the winner likes this. So Kim, if you like this, let me know. If you don't, let me know, and you know, I can always report it. That's not a problem. And this particular piece, I'm more than, you know, if she doesn't like it, that's fine. My feelings aren't hurt. I can always try again. So all right, now let's unmold this one. Now, I'll tell you the colors that I used. The colors I used was, I used purple, emerald, and it's funny because when I closed the purple bottle, I had gotten alcohol ink all over my fingers. I still have some that are like on my nails and under my fingernails, and I've tried to scrub and it just won't come out. I know it'll take a little bit. And then the last color that I used is pear. So again, I used pear, emerald, and then the last color is purple. Trust me, when I saw this, I was like, oh, do I want to do all blue again? I'm like, no, we need to try to branch out and do more than just blue, as much as I wanted to. All right, so I put the purple in the center, and then I put, I believe it was the emerald were at the tips and below, and then in between was the pear. All right, so, and then I mixed quite a bit of amount of white with about an ounce of the clear resin. And that's to get the lace effect. So here goes nothing, and hopefully it came out the way I wanted it to. All right, ready? And there we go. Ooh, yes, it did. Wow. Okay, I really like that. That came out fantastic. That makes me so happy. I don't know, what do you guys think? So that's that, if you can see the whole piece. I really like that. I may want to pour something similar, a lot not messy, because it's a little messy, because you can see here where some of the white came a little bit too far out, but this is what you want to see with the lace effect, is you know, the white kind of moving like this with the blobs. Blobs are okay with the lace effect. I really like the way this came out. It is absolutely gorgeous. So I may pour again, not obviously with the same colors, maybe some different colors, but I really like the contrast of the purple and then the green, with the dark green and then the light green. So, all right. So that being said, I hope you guys liked the prizes. I hope you guys liked what I poured. And then, like I said, in my next live, I am going to be unmolding this one, and it will be either next week Tuesday or next week Wednesday. I don't remember which, but it'll be at 10:15. I know I have several appointments next week, but that's beside the point. Hopefully you show up so that we can take a look and then pour something new. And like I said, if you want to enter the giveaway, like it's been working, I will tell you which one to enter in on, give you all the clues that you'll need to search for, and then which video to enter in on. So I will talk to you guys later. Hope you guys have a great weekend, and see you in the next video. Bye.